How to hard reset an iPhone. In a hard reset, you force your iPhone to restart. A hard reset can help if your phone are frozen and would not cause you to lose any data on your iPhone. If you are having serious problem with your phone or want to remove your data before giving it to someone else, you can perform a factory reset. A factory reset will wipe all of your personal data from your phone, so be sure to back up your iPhone first. Number 1. Press and hold the power button and home button. This method will reset a frozen iPhone. Number 2. Continues holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. This may take about 20 seconds. Number 3. Wait your iPhone to continue booting. It takes a while for an iPhone to completely boot up, so do not be alarmed if the logo stay on the screen for a bit. After a minute or so, your iPhone should boot to your home screen. Number 4. Test the iPhone to see if it keeps freezing. Performing a reset is usually good enough to solve any problems. If your iPhone continue to freeze or experience problem, perform a factory reset. Hard reset may fix the issue. If your iPhone is always freezing with a specific app, you may want to try uninstall the app and looking for an alternative. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel, like, share and comments on this video.